Jeffries. I am the Director of Sales and Marketing for ZSoft Technologies, the parent company for our software programs including ZSuite, the Clover Academy, and ZingBooks. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial on submitting your record book to your club volunteer, and then also I have a bit in here to show what it looks like to see a record book that's been submitted from the volunteer side. So I've logged in to my ZSuite account at 4h.zsuite.org. We're going to go to Luke's profile, and you'll notice here we have a tab called Record Books. And so we're going to click on the record book that we want to work in, and you'll notice here on the left hand side of the screen a submenu is populated for this market animal record book. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to work down to the bottom tab called Record Book, and you'll notice here that the book itself is populated. We have the option to download the record book as a PDF file, or we can email it to our club volunteer. So a point of note on these record books, these are shared with your club volunteer. They do have to be an active volunteer. They do have to be approved. From the volunteer standpoint, they can comment. They cannot make changes to the content. The child is still expected to do the work and is responsible to do the work. But the nice thing about this platform is it allows record books to be worked on now at any point during the 4-H year versus the mad insanity rush of trying to complete record books 5 days before they're due. So at any point, if you have questions on your record book or as you're working through, or if you get stuck, you'll notice in this lower right-hand corner, there is live chat. We provide live chat to our users Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If it is after hours or on the weekend, this chat function goes to an email, and our support team will work and address your questions straight away first business day when they come back to the office. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to resubmit this record book. We just simply click the button, and there's your email. We've got the record book has been submitted, and this is a test book, but the green check mark says okay, it is done. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And to test to make sure that this has worked, we're going to hop over to the volunteer account, and we're going to go to the volunteer who is the person that's going to be reviewing the record books. So to be eligible to view club record books, you do have to be a club leader. You do have to be active status volunteer, and then in this little drop down menu here, you'll see with this club, request to be a club leader. You're going to want to do that if you're a club volunteer within these respective projects. But you'll notice here for Jack Straw's profile, he has a livestock. That's his livestock club button. So we'll go ahead and click that down caret. But right here we have a section called Record Book Submissions. And you'll see here, here's Luke's record book, and we can view the submission, and we can scroll through and see what information Luke has provided to date in the record book. I'm just doing a very quick scroll, but you can see there is content on the pages. You can see the reasons for why selected in the project. And this is going to vary state by state. This is just strictly a demonstration record book. So the record books are all going to look a little bit different state by state, depending on what your state requires for the record books in terms of content, and then also the layout and how the information is captured. But you can see here we've got pictures included. We also have a section here on goals. But this is a great way for 4-H members to stay active in their record book. It's a great way to have that checks and balance from a leader's perspective as far as, okay, what information has been done, what needs more work. And the nice part is It didn't take a lot of time. It's very simple. And if you again have any questions or get stuck at any point in working through record book submissions, don't hesitate to send us a chat or an email if it's after hours. And we're happy to help however we can. Stay tuned for more videos. Hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to let us know in the chat and the support. Have a great day. Jeffries.